Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the navigation bar buttons on this device. Go to settings, tap on the option display. Then simply scroll down. Here you can see the option navigation bar. Tap on this one. Okay. If you tap on the option more option, now this buttons is selected. Tap on the option more options. Here you can change this position. Now the order is recent button, home button, back button. If you want to reposition, then select the second one. Now you can see this back button, home button and recent button. So simply in this way we can rearrange the navigation buttons to match your preference. This can make one-handed use more comfortable. So simply in this way we can change the navigation bar buttons on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.